Alright. There was the startup of the 2003 Lennox 3.5 ton air conditioner. Hope it caught the compressor starting up on cam, but yeah. Here's the data sheet. 42,000 BTU 3.5 ton from 2003, and it's charged with R22. And I don't know about the superheat and stuff like that, but yeah. And in case you're watching this late, or not like in the first few days, this is running in cool mode, so yeah. Alright, that only took about 3.5 minutes of waiting for it to start up. This unit cycles on and off a lot. So yeah. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.